This time we're visiting James Gopp. He is an inventor, an explorer, a scientist, and a chef. Okay,
That's
so
very
let's
cool.
go do this.
Let's do it. Let's take a minute here in the woods and start to look at some of the components that we can forage from the forest floor.
Wow.
So right here, we have goldenrod, and you'll see these on the side of the road, these beautiful golden fields. Yeah, give it a bite, because it's really nice. There is a bitter quality to
Thank
it.
you.
You're welcome. But I love it with maybe like a nice sweet roasted carrot dish. What do you think? You want to harvest some of this goldenrod for
Yes,
to starters?
that was delicious.
Yeah. So the great thing about this whole area is literally underneath our feet, we have wild strawberries, we have bed straw, we have wild thyme. This is wild carrot, also known as Queen Anne's lace. So you'll start to see these in
Wow.
the field, those big white heads. Get kind of like a Fruit Loop sort of flavor from it. So I think we're gonna kind of do, maybe something with a dessert with this. This is called wild plantain.
This is a weed.
Well, so we classify things as weeds sometimes unfairly, right? A weed, by definition, is something that grows in an area that you don't want it to. And as you saw, we've been stepping over all of this wild food.
Right.
Shall we? Let's cook.
Right.
All right.
Let's do it.
After you.
Thank you.
Thanks.